What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to MSR Cresson. So we're back out here for another lap attack with Apex Fest. We got the car out here last night. Everything's good, we're set up. This is only gonna be a one-day event today, so I think we got about 5 or 6 sessions to go. Should be a good time, car's all set up and I'm ready to test out all the new modifications. So like I mentioned, we have all the new SPL on the car, as front and rear, as well as the rear diff lift kit. We got that Mosselman thrown on the front. So we should have a little bit better oil cooling, but other than that, we're still on pretty much the same alignment and obviously the same power, still on these same AO52s, the 295 35s, and we're all set to go. My goals for this weekend are pretty simple. I kind of just want to go down to like maybe a 122, maybe a 121, depending on how the car's feeling. I do know that, you know, there's a chance at the rear end, there's a chance that I'll need to do some work on the rear end, alignment-wise, as well as maybe some setup changes with the nitrons, but that's what we're here to do. We're here to test it out. We got about 5 sessions today. It's hot, it's a Texas June day, so we're probably only gonna, you know, get any fast laps on like maybe the first 2 or 3 sessions before lunch. After lunch, it's gonna be like 95, 96 degrees outside, and we probably won't get too many fast laps. But I'm excited for today. It's always good to be back on track and, you know, kind of ready to test that out. Oh, I forgot to mention we also got new brakes. So we got new rotors. We got the brake cooling that I forgot to mention as well. So I'm hoping to kind of test that out, make sure everything goes well there, as well as we got the new pads. And the front shim from Paragon. So excited to test everything out. I think the car should be, you know, pretty well dialed in. But that's what we're here to do today. We're here to test it out, have some fun, set some fast laps, and enjoy our time at this track. So I'm not gonna film my first session just because I'm gonna go out there and kind of test the car out, make sure everything feels good. I probably won't wanna go too fast. It's kind of our first session that we kind of use to grid ourselves on. So I'm basically gonna be doing that mostly. But let's go out, car's all ready. I got the tire pressure set, I have the wheels torqued, full of fuel, and that's basically all we need. So let's go have some fun, set some fast laps. Okay guys, first session done. We actually ended up having a car that kind of blew up going into turn 1, so it like oiled down the entire track. Session got stopped a little bit early, but other than that, car's doing good. I didn't really push any full laps, but I did end up pushing like, you know, individual corners, just kind of try to test out the setup, see what kind of corner speed I can get, test some of the braking zones a little bit, but I wasn't able to piece together an entire lap. So we started out with a 27, theoretical of a 25. So let's get to timing some laps and we should be good to go. So car's all set. I got the tire pressures adjusted a little bit. We did get stopped out on the track for a little while due to that red flag from that car blowing up. So we did kind of have to, you know, adjust the tire pressures accordingly. They kind of cooled down a little bit on track. But other than that, we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and record this next session for you, and everything's going well. So I'll get these videos done, and hopefully you guys enjoy the laps. Hopefully we can go faster. Well guys, next session went really well. Kind of pushed the car a little bit more, got some good feeling out of the car. We ended up going faster. We did a 1:22.0, so that's my personal best. Unfortunately, it's still pretty slow for the class. I think that puts me like second to last in the class. Some of the fast guys are doing some pretty quick times. I think there's like two 1:17s in there, some 18s, and a few 19s. He's doing 19s with slicks on the M4, so we definitely have a lot to improve, but we dropped the tire pressures a little bit. They were slightly high when I came in, so we're gonna test that, see how it goes. I think everything else should be pretty good. Otherwise, everything inside here on the engine bay looks perfect. We did check the temperatures actually on the brakes, and they're getting to about 590 degrees. So warm, but I think, you know, I've been pushing. I think I did 4 hot laps on a 90-degree day. So 4 hot laps really isn't too bad. Brakes feel really good. I'm super impressed with these PFC pads. So really happy with the way this turned out. The car feels really good, rotation feels good. So we're gonna go back out. I think we've got another session here in 20 or so minutes. So we'll go back out, see if we can go any faster. I think it's gonna get a little bit difficult now that it's getting hotter and hotter outside, but we're gonna try our best, see what we can do, and have some fun. Well guys, that about wraps it up for this weekend. We didn't actually end up getting to go any faster. So our best ended up being a 122.0, and I'm pretty happy with that overall. You know, that was the goal I had set for myself this weekend, so I'm happy with how the car did. We set a bunch more 122.0s. We had a few theoreticals in the mid 21s, like I think it was a 21.7 or so. So the car definitely has it in it. It got really hot out right now. It's like 93, 94 degrees, but the car did flawlessly. Really can't complain. The car feels really, really solid on this new suspension setup. The tires were wearing really, really nicely. See if I can show you the fronts here. I had rotated them. Yeah, look at that. That's really, really nice wear. I think I might take these off before I go to the Tail of the Dragon this weekend, but I had rotated them. So these were the rears, those were the fronts, and they handled really, really well. So I got really good wear on the car. I didn't have any brake heating issues. I actually spent some time measuring them with a heat gun, and everything came out really nicely on the front end. So I'm happy with how the car performed overall, and happy with how this one-day event went here at MSR Cresson. But that's going to do it for this video. Like I said, we are going to the Tail of the Dragon next weekend. That's going to be a super fun trip. I'm not really sure how much I'm going to video, or if you guys want me to, like, you know, maybe film, I don't know, my trip out there, maybe some of the driving, but it's more just gonna be me hanging out with a bunch of buddies and just kind of driving the back roads out in Georgia. So should be fun. I might video it, might kind of make it more like vlog style, just kind of everything I'm doing and whatnot, but should be a good time. We're gonna trailer it all the way out there. It's about 14-15 hours. So I will see you guys in that video. But for now, that's gonna do it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.